Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Sa pong karangalan na bigyan ng pagkakataon na makapag-share po ng salita ng Diyos. At sa presence po ng ating mahal na Bishop, privilege po. Sino po sa atin nang nakakilala kay Joseph?
Amen!
Sabihin natin. To refresh sa little bit, Joseph is the 11th son of Jacob. Na ang nanay niya ay si Rachel. Alam po ba?
Amen.
I want to read you my text for today. It's found in Genesis 37 verses 1 to 4. Now Jacob dwelt in the land where his father was stranger, in the land of Canaan. This is the genealogy of Jacob. Joseph, being 17 years old, was feeding in the flock with his brother, and the boy was with the sons of Bilhah and the sons of Zilpah, his father's wives, and Joseph brought a bad report to them to his father. Now Israel loved Joseph more than all his children, because he was the son of his old age. Also, he made him a tunic of many colors. But when his brother saw that their father loved him more than all his brothers, they hated him and could not speak visibly to him. Palain po ang salita ng Panginoon. In these verses, speak the life of Joseph and how different he was from the rest of his brothers. It's amazing that a young man who grew up in the same home, same condition, same environment as his brother could be so different. Joseph, however, so different that he literally stand out from the rest of his brother. Meron po akong dalawang bagay na tatalakayin na kakaiba sa buhay ni Joseph from his brothers. Ang unang-una po is the purity of Joseph's life. Makikita po natin sa Genesis 37 verse 2. Sa dictionary po, Webster, ang purity is the state of being unblemished by sin or moral wrong, lacking a knowledge of evil. As we read the story of Joseph, Joseph has sent out to work with these men. What he saw them doing wrong must shock him deeply. This may have been Joseph's first exposure to unworthy. Yung pagka-expose niya doon sa unworthy na nature ng kanyang mga brothers. Alam po natin yung mga brothers po niya ay mga murderer. Nandun po sa Genesis 34 verse 25, hatred, 37 verse 4, envy, 37 verse 11, at saka incest, yung kikapit, 35 verse 22. In the life of Joseph, we can apply into our lives. Every one of our lives be marked by purity. 2 Corinthians 6:17. He wants us to stand separate from the world and its evil way. He wants us to be different. We should be different in the way we talk, we act, we live, and maging sa pag-iisip natin po. Purity should be the hallmark quality of our lives. Ibig sabihin, tatak po na natin mga Kristiyano ang magiging purity. Alam niyo po sa abi pong nayon, yung mga animal po, mga halimbawa, kalabaw po, mga baka, nilalagyan po nila ng tatak yun sa may, depende sa gilid o ano, sa may taas ng paa, na nagpapatunay po na sa'yo nagmamay-ari yung animal na yon. And it shows that kung tayo po ay may purity, pagmamay-ari po tayo ng ating Panginoon. Amen po ba? And second one is, I want to share the promotion of Joseph's life. Makikita po natin sa Genesis 7 verses 3 and 4. Jacob loved Joseph more than all his children. These verses tell us a little about the environment within the home of Joseph. Jacob is known better kasi po, alam po natin na si Jacob din ay lumaki sa may pagka-favoritism po. Ang tatay po niya ni Isaac, ang favorite po niya ay si Esau. And then, ang mother niya po, ang favorite niya ay Jacob. Kaya, hindi po natin maalis sa kanya na parang may favoritism din kasi lumaki nga siya po dun sa family na may favoritism. Parents should be careful that they do not favor one child above other. Children should be treated as equal as far as that is possible. Amen po ba? Dapat po pare-parehas po ang trato natin sa ating mga anak, sa mga kagaya pong mga magulang para po hindi po magkaroon ng panghinanakit sa bawat isa kung meron pong favoritism. Joseph chosen to be the head of the household. Ito po yung isang promotion ni Joseph. Siya po ang na-chosen na head of the household. What indicates that Joseph has chosen to be the head of the household? Because he is the son of his old age. Siya po yung anak niya doon sa old age. And he waited so many years and the child from his beloved wife, Rachel. Alam po niyo, si Jacob po mahal na mahal niya si Joseph kasi yung nanay ni Joseph na si Rachel, siya po yung first love din niya. Si Jacob, ang first love niya po si Rachel. Nagtrabaho po siya ng 7 years para lang po siya mapangasawa. Para gusto niyang mapangasawa si Rachel. Pero, yung mga magulang ni Rachel, ang ipinakasal sa kanya, si Leah. And then, he worked again for another 7 years para lang mapangasawa niya si Rachel. Ganun po ang katindi ng pagmamahal niya kay Rachel. Kasi sinasabi niya parang yun ang first love niya. Isa pong nagpapatunay din na Joseph is the head of the household because he made him a coat of many colors. Joseph carried himself well and he earned the respect of his father. Alam ko pag mo yung the coat is symbolizes and significant, he have the authority. Kaya yun ang isa sa mga dahilan ng promotion ni Joseph. Matthew 25 verse 21, when we are fruitful in our service to Him, He will promote us to greater areas of service. When we are promoted, we must not be boast about our achievement. Any advancement in the spiritual realm is purely the good grace of good working in our lives. As I close po, may the life of Joseph be an example to us. May we rise at the top in our lives, stand as a testimony of what God can do with a life in spite of the difficulties that would seem to hinder His work. Sa Diyos po ang papala sa papurihan sa